ni Tech na Msangi ya jishinde.com.
When you look at the vendor item catalog table, it has got two primary keys, and that is the item number and the vendor number. And then we do have other fields, and this is a subsidiary table which mostly contains a combination. It can be a composite key or multiple primary keys depending on the information that should be stored. It could be up to 3 primary keys. For example, if you could need an integer, if you have so many combinations of the subsidiary master, and if an integer is the last for the line number, then you will display it using a worksheet page, but ideally it's displayed using a list page like this one. There's a page which is a list page, and you can see this is the vendor item catalog page containing this information. And since it's opened from the vendor card, then this particular subsidiary table, we are not able, okay, it does not display the vendor number because it's automatically populated from the vendor because of the relation. So when you click, you populate the item and the vendor number will be automatically populated. I think we do have a table known as employee qualification, and ideally you won't find a subsidiary table on the search or a page. You will find it from inside the master record. Let me see if I can be able to get the employee qualification from the card page. Employee, let me see, qualifications. So this is also another subsidiary table because it contains the employee number, but there is a line number. Now this is now the page. This is still a list page. Then the documentation needs to be updated because it's stating that it should be a worksheet page. Nonetheless, the employee number, the line number, and then the qualification code. So because the qualification is coming from now, so this is an example of a master supplemental table combination that gives a subsidiary table. So the subsidiary will always be two tables combined, mostly only accessed from the master table, and using the pattern where you don't display the employee number on this page, or you don't display the master item because it's automatically populated and it's hidden for that case. Because if you look at here, the primary key is accountant, and let me just unselect this. You can see the employee number is automatically populated and it's not displayed because when you add, if I add a new one here and another qualification like German, we can clearly see that after we insert the German qualification, the employee number is automatically populated for the subsidiary table. So that's it for day 11. I'll see you in day 12 of 30 days of AL programming.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one.